me to place this one single trade with $300. That's like 100k, so I intend to make like 20k. I've gotten my signal. I'm just waiting for the right entry, waiting for a small pull back up so that I can enter. Don't just think I'm just guessing or anything. I've already checked. Some of my students will check. They would have seen exactly what I did before now. This is one of the reasons why I don't like talking when doing this. Okay, I may have to pause. Once I make my entry, I'll be back. Okay, I have made my entry and I hope I did not enter during a reversal. Alright, I made my entry and my trade has pulled through. So that's 21%, that's $60, one single trade. One trade, you can see under 1 second. Under 1 second, the trade has pulled through. Imagine if you are doing this every day. I had 360 when I started. Probably I should show you my profit table so that you get to see the trade again. It was a very fast one. You can see some losses there, so don't think I don't lose. Now this trade, I analyzed it for my student. They saw the analysis I did. For this trade before I took the trade. Now if you're my student, you'll be privileged to the analysis. If you're not my student, you're just seeing me trading one single trade. Imagine if you can be doing one single trade and you're making $60 every day. $60 is about maybe 20,000. So imagine I traded with 100k and I made 20% of it in a single day. So imagine if you can be doing that every day. Now this is what I teach people to do, but you see most people are greedy. They want to hammer all of a sudden. It doesn't just start like this. You have to build on something. Learn to stop. Learn to do it slow and steady. Don't be in a hurry. God bless you, and I'll see you in another time. I'm going to continue explaining to my student. God bless you. See you another time. Oh, maybe you are not so sure. You can see all my trades so that you won't be thinking this is just do I lose? That's a loss there. So don't think it's a Photoshop or whatever. I did one single trade. Now imagine if I can get to be doing 5, 4 more, which I can do. But you see, for the benefit of people who watch me, I don't want you to get carried away and be doing too many. One at a time is okay. One in a day is even better. God bless you, and I'll see you another time.